Hey guys, today we will be shooting a BB gun. And here's Aaron himself right over there. Let's go say hi. Hey Aaron. So what you doing? What you holding?
A gun, a BB gun. So I have done eye sockets, a nose, and a little tiny mouth.
Okay. So yeah, let's go shoot this thing. Okay, yeah, you go first.
I know what I should shoot.
What?
No. Oh yeah.
Aim at Spooderman.
Yeah.
Watch how a professional does it. Ooh, let's see if you'll hit it. Yep, he hit it right there.
Where?
You hit it right there.
No, you did that.
And you hit it right there.
Oh.
You hit it somewhere right there.
What should I shoot? What part?
Shoot the top of his head.
Wait, there's berries. Shoot a berry.
Shoot a berry, yeah, shoot a berry.
It exploded.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Here, hold the camera.
Mom, I accidentally shot a berry and it exploded.
And
It exploded. Oh yeah, I shot you. I have sunglasses, okay. Oh, it hit
shot
right
him
here.
right there, yeah.
Wait, shoot a berry. I'll shoot a berry again. Hold on.
Explosion. The explosion.
Wait, the berry boomers.
The berry boomers. And yes, guys, we have adult supervision out here somewhere.
What is what?
We have adult supervision somewhere out here.
Yeah, totally.
But yeah, totally. It's totally. See that guy? See that guy right? There's a person right there watching us, right? Yeah. Help me. Okay. The wild Aaron, and he just. What the flip did you just shoot? God, you almost blew your brains out. Yes, guys, BB gun is perfectly safe unless he shoots someone.